Hello, dear students. Let us solve some multi-choice questions based on nuclear physics. At first, let us review some helping tips. 1 Fermi is equal to 10 to minus 15 meter distance. 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.67 into 10 to minus 27 kg, and which is equivalent to energy 931 million electron volt, where 1 million electron volt is equal to, million means 10 to power 6, electron volt means 1.6 into 10 to minus 19 joules, which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to minus 13 joule. Nuclear density is 2.3 into 10 to power 17 kg per meter cube, which is independent of atomic number Z and mass number A. Means nuclear density is same for all nuclei, all elements. Next, nuclear radius R is equal to R naught into A to power 1 by 3, where R naught is 1.2 into 10 to minus 15 meter and A is mass number. Next, alpha particle is doubly ionized helium. That is, alpha particle has no electrons. Next, isotones have equal number of neutrons. Next, hydrogen bomb thermonuclear reactor, energy of sun and stars is due to the nuclear fusion process. Next, loss of mass in a nuclear fission and nuclear fusion is converted into energy called Q value. Nuclear fission reaction for uranium 235 92 235 by the bombardment of neutron is given by this relation, where Q value is 200 million electron volt. Next, pair production is the production of electron and its antiparticle positron when a gamma ray photon of sufficient energy strikes a material. The energy of incident gamma ray photon must not be less than 1.64 into 10 to minus 13 joule or equal to 1.02 million electron volt. Now question number 1. The energy equivalent to 1 atomic mass unit is, options are these, and we know that 1 AMU is equivalent to 931 million electron volt, therefore option C will be correct. Next question. The order of magnitude of nuclear density is, options are these, and we know that nuclear density, which is independent of atomic number and mass number, is equal to 2.3 into 10 to power 17 kg per meter cube. Therefore, the order of magnitude will be this one. Next question number 3. Which pair is isotonic? As we know, isotones have equal number of neutrons. So, in this case, 13 minus 7, 6 neutrons, 12 minus 6, 6 neutrons. Therefore, both these nuclei have equal number of neutrons. This pair will be isotonic. Next question number 4. Binding energy per nucleon is maximum for, these are the options. And from the binding energy curve, we see that binding energy per nucleon is maximum for iron. Therefore, correct option will be this one. Next question number 5. Alpha particle consists of, as we know, alpha particle is doubly ionized helium atom, that is, it does not have electrons. Therefore, it will have 2 protons and 2 neutrons in the nucleus. Next question number 6. The volume of a nucleus is proportional to, these are the options. As we know, hint to question 6. B is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r is r naught a to power 1 by 3 power cube. That is 4 by 3 pi r naught cube into a. So the volume is proportional to mass number a. Correct option will be C. Hint to question 7. A is equal to delta mc square or mc square. M is 0.5 gram, means 10 to minus 3 kilogram, into C, 3 into 10 to power 8 square velocity applied. So this is 0.5 into 10 to minus 3 into 9 into 10 to power 16. So this is 4.9 into 10 to power 13 joule. So the correct option will be this one, 4.5 10 to power 13 joule. Next question number 8. Nuclear fusion is not found in. We know that atom bomb is based on the principle of nuclear fission, whereas hydrogen bomb, thermonuclear fusion, and energy of stars and sun is based on the nuclear fusion. Therefore the correct option will be A. Next question number 9. The following process is known as, here your energy of gamma ray photon produces electron and its antiparticle positron. This is electron and this is positron. So electron positron pair is produced here, and the option will be pair production. Option number C. Next question number 10. The radius of radius of copper 2964 nucleus in terms of in Fermi. The radius of copper 2964 nucleus in Fermi is, options are these. Solution to question 10. R is equal to R naught a to power 1 by 3. R naught is 1.2 into 10 to minus 15. Here A is 64, mass number, 64 to power 1 by 3. 1.2 into 10 to minus 15 into 4, which is 4.8 into 10 to minus 15 meter, and 10 to minus 15 meter is called Fermi. This will be 4.8 Fermi. So the correct option will be B, 4.8 Fermi. Next question number 11. an electron and positron annihilate, then the energy released is. Annihilation is the reverse of pair production. So total energy released is equal to 1.02 million electron volt or 1.64 into 10 to minus 13 joule, which is very close to this. So the correct option will be B. Next question number 12. When uranium 92-235 is hit with a neutron, it produces krypton 3689, 3 neutrons and any one of these options. Now we know that the nuclear fission reaction in this case is and uranium 92 235 plus neutron is equal to krypton 3689 plus 3 neutrons plus barium 56 144. Here 92 plus 0 is equal to 36 plus 56, 92 means charge is balanced. Similarly 235 plus 1 is 236, which is equal to 89 plus 3 into 1 means 3 plus 144, which is 236. Mass is balanced, therefore the correct option will be this. Next question number 13. Question number 13 is, a nucleus at rest splits into two nuclear parts having radii in the ratio 1:2. Their velocities are in the ratio. Solution to question 13. Here, suppose this is stable nucleus at rest, U is 0. Suppose mass is m. It splits means broken into two parts. One has radius r1 and other has radius r2. Its velocity is v1 and its velocity is v2. r1 upon r2 is 1/2, 1:2. We have to find v1 upon v2. Now from linear momentum conservation, in this case m into u is 0. M into u is equal to m1. Its mass is m1 and its mass is m2. m1 v1 plus m2 v2. 0 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Zero is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Therefore, or m1 v1 is equal to minus m2 v2 minus. magnitude of M1 V1 will be equal to magnitude of M2 V2. M1 means 4 by 3 pi R1 cube into V1 into density, volume into density into V1. V1 is velocity is equal to 4 by 3 pi R2 cube, 4 by 3 pi R2 cube into density into V2. 4 by 3 pi cancels out, density also cancels, so 2 into density also cancels out, so R1 upon R2 cube is equal to V2 upon V1. And R1 means R naught. R1 cube upon कितने R1 upon R2 cube is equal to 1 by V2 upon V1. Therefore V1 upon V2 R2 upon R1 को cube. This is 2 upon 1 cube, that is 8 upon 1. So the correct option will be C. Next question number 14. Question is 1 gram of hydrogen is converted into 0.993 gram of helium in a thermonuclear reaction. The energy released is here loss of mass is equal to delta M is equal to 1 minus 0.993 gram. Loss of mass delta M is equal to 1 minus 0.993 gram means 0.007 gram, or delta M is equal to 0.007 into 10 to minus 3 kilogram, which is 7 into 10 to minus 6 kilogram. Therefore, energy released will be equal to delta M into C square, 7 into 10 to minus 6 into 3 into 10 to power 8 square, which is 7 into 10 to minus 6 into 9 into 10 to power 16 joules, which is 63 into 10 to power 10 joules. So the correct option will be D.